I recently got the Decibullz custom molded professional high fidelity earplugs. I'm going to go ahead and unbox these with you and show you exactly what comes in the package when you receive yours. Overall, first impression, the packaging is amazing. Everything is nice and protected. A premium zipper carrying case is included. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what comes inside of the case. I went ahead and took everything out. There are silicone tips and foam tips, all from sizes ranging from small, medium, and large. Also, a filter lanyard is included. Now it's time for the main attraction. It is the left and right easy shape custom molds. What you want to do with these is add them to warm water and mold them to your ear shape. The middle part are professional filters. I went ahead and attached one of the foam tips just to show you how simple these are to attach. Overall, the presentation was amazing. Decibullz professional earplugs provide outstanding performance and protection.